Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Yorkshire Terrier, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Royal Canin Breed Health Nutrition Yorkshire Terrier Adult Dry Dog Food. Royal Canin is instantly recognizable as one of the most trusted dog food brands on the market. That's because this company has differentiated itself as an organization that cares about dog health, to the point that they develop unique dog food formulas that cater to different breeds, ages, and health needs. The Royal Canin Breed Health Nutrition is packed with vitamins, nutrients, fats, proteins, fiber, and calories that your dog needs to thrive. It is specially formulated to include DHA and EPA, which help to produce a smooth and healthy coat. The only noticeable downside to this food is that it has a lower protein profile as compared to the other dry dog food options. But it makes up for this with a better level of quality. It also features ingredients like wheat gluten and other cereal grains that might be a problem with pets that suffer from gluten intolerance. On the upside, these grains are meant to provide your pet with the necessary amino acids to develop healthy tissues. The Royal Canin Breed Health Nutrition Dry Dog Food also comes with brown rice and brewer's rice, which makes it an ideal source of energy for your dog. We like the fact that this Royal Canin formula is fortified with essential ingredients like glucosamine and chondroitin, which help to improve joint health while facilitating overall wellness. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants, immune-boosting properties as well as anti-inflammatories. Moving on at number 4, we have the Merrick Lil Plates Grain-Free Small Breed Recipe. The Merrick Lil Plates Grain-Free Dry Dog Food combines the delicious flavor of your dog's favorite treats with the nutrition he needs to thrive. This is a whole meal that includes real pieces of raw beef meat which have been freeze-dried to preserve their flavor and nutrients. This food has no grains, which makes it ideal for gluten-intolerant pets, and it offers complete nutrition for small breed dogs. It has a rich taste and a variety of nutrients, thanks to the inclusion of vegetables and fruits like peas, sweet potatoes, blueberries, and apples. There's also a fair amount of omega-3 fatty acids in this formula due to the flax seeds, and this helps to maintain a healthy-looking coat. As if that weren't enough, Merrick also included probiotics and prebiotics in this formula to assist with digestion, while the chondroitin and glucosamine will keep its joints strong and healthy. The Merrick Lil Plates Grain-Free Small Breed Recipe doesn't contain any allergens like gluten, soy, wheat, or corn, so it's safe for most dogs to consume. At number 3, we have the Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food. Hill's healthy dog formulas are well known among pet owners for their quality, and this dry dog food is no exception. The Hill's Science Diet is designed to meet the nutritional and development needs of small dogs, and it doesn't contain harmful or preservatives or chemicals. Instead, it's packed with vitamins C and E as well as antioxidants to promote health and longevity. Although Yorkies tend to live longer than other dog breeds, adding the Hill's Science Diet small and toy breed will extend their lifespan even more while allowing them to enjoy life with vibrant health. Hill's Science Dry Dog Food is one of the most recommended pet foods by veterinarians around the world, and it's not hard to see why. This is optimal nutrition based on scientific studies, and this brand only uses quality ingredients to make sure that each pet gets the nourishment it needs. At number 2, we have the Nutro Natural Choice Small and Toy Breeds Dog Food. This small breed formula from Nutro is all your pet needs to get its nutrients in, and it's specially designed for dogs that weigh 20 pounds or less. It's made with high-quality sources of protein such as real chicken, which is essential in maintaining an ideal weight while providing all the energy that your Yorkie needs to enjoy life. It's important to note here that small breed dogs typically have a life expectancy of 20 years, which is quite long in animal years. That's why they need high-quality nutrition to ensure that they reach their full potential. This formula comes with fruits and vegetables that are rich in beneficial minerals and antioxidants. Because this formula doesn't contain any grains and goes through specialized processing technology, it's easier to assimilate and absorb its nutrients. One of the nutrients worth mentioning is kale, which is a superfood instrumental in boosting your Yorkie's antioxidants. And finally at number 1, we have the Nulo small breed grain-free dry dog food. Although tiny in size, small breed dogs are balls of energy that will give even the most energetic owner a run for their money. Because they use a lot of energy throughout the day, Yorkshire Terriers need to get that energy from good sources that will support their metabolism as well. That's what the Nulo small breed grain-free dry dog food promises. It's made of 84% protein, which comes from real meat like lamb, turkey, and salmon, while the small kibble-size texture facilitates natural chewing and digestion. Based on dog reactions, this small breed formula from Nulo is not only packed with nutrition but it tastes great too. It's mostly made up of lean protein sources and is formulated to promote optimal digestion and maintain proper metabolism. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.